My name is Brad Rovin, and I am the director of the Division of Nephrology and a professor of medicine at Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center. I've never done an ICER review before. Obviously, I was heavily invested in these particular medications that were being reviewed because not only did I participate in the clinical trials, but I know the need for these drugs or drugs that improve lupus, kidney disease, and I also had been involved in helping design some of the trials. The purpose of ICER that I now understand is to evaluate drugs in an objective fashion and make sure that the pricing is consistent with the benefit that the drugs deliver. It's scary to a lot of people because new drugs are often priced high. We understand that. And I look at it from both points of view. I am a consumer as well as a researcher. And the amount of research that goes into this is incredible. And the costs up front. So, and everybody has to be able to make a living. I get that. On the other hand, you want these drugs to be accessible. I might have started out that this was going to be an adversarial process, and because sort of the reputation or the rumor is that ICER, may rank this badly and not cost effective, and then that really makes it hard for patients to get the medication. But in fact, I think that it was done in a very sort of professional fashion. It isn't an adversarial relationship. It's a relationship to get these drugs to the patient and to do it in a cost-effective manner. During the broad public interview, I was really pleased with how it was put together. I was encouraged to really discuss the topic with no limitations. I felt there was no influence on me giving my professional opinion, my evidence-based opinion, in any way from any of the team members or any of the folks in the discussion group that we started with the first interview. I felt that when I reviewed the report and did provide comments as to the medical accuracy of some of the concepts, I think that's really important. And it's important for the physicians, scientists who are doing this sort of work to get the ideas out there and make sure that they're correct. Transparency, expertise was there, patient involvement was there, and actually the presence of pharma and the presence of the insurance companies all mixed together, to me, created a very dynamic discussion that I think was very useful for anyone who was participating in the program to see everyone's opinion. The other thing that I really liked is we were asked to give suggestions on how processes may be improved. So I had certain feelings and opinions about how approval through an insurance company may be better. Withholding expertise by not wanting to participate in something that might be viewed as a little bit uncomfortable or a new experience shouldn't be an option. I mean, it shouldn't be what you're thinking. You should go for it, because I think having expert input into all of these decisions enriches the decision and actually makes the decision more understandable to the entire community. I would do this again, and not only would I do it again, I hope to get to be able to do it again, because I think there's going to be new lupus drugs that come down the line.